Welcome to this mindfulness practice. Take a moment to find a comfortable sitting position, with your feet on the floor and resting gently where you are. Let your hands rest softly in your lap. You can close your eyes or keep them open with a soft gaze. Take a slow breath in through the nose and let it out gently through the mouth. There's nothing you need to do, nowhere else you need to be. Just arrive here. Bring your awareness now to the natural rhythm of the breath. Notice the inhale and the exhale. Where do you feel the breath most easily? Perhaps the belly rising and falling, the chest expanding, or the cool air at the nostrils. Allow the breath to flow without effort. No need to control it. When thoughts pull you away, gently notice thinking and return to the breath. Each time you notice, you're practicing presence. Expand your awareness now to include your body resting on the chair. Feel the weight, the contact, the support beneath you. Notice the sounds in the space around you, near or far, soft or loud. Just part of this present moment. Now gently turn your attention toward how you're feeling right now. Is there an emotion present? Calm, restless, anxious, sad, or perhaps neutral? Whatever arises, allow it to be here. There's no need to push it away. If an emotion feels strong, notice where it shows up in the body. A tight chest, a heavy stomach, or a buzzing mind. Rather than fighting it, imagine sitting alongside it, breathing with it. Remind yourself, this is a passing experience. I can feel it without needing to react. Now shift your focus to the flow of thoughts in the mind. They may come as words, images, or stories. That's natural. Imagine thoughts as clouds drifting across the sky, or leaves floating gently downstream. When a thought arises, notice it and label it. I'm having a thought. This simple step gives you space. You are the observer of the thought, not the thought itself. If you find yourself caught in a story, gently bring your awareness back to the breath, back to the steady rhythm of inhaling and exhaling. As we close, rest in a sense of equanimity, a steady balance of meeting life as it is. Equanimity does not mean indifference. It means calm and presence, even as emotions and thoughts rise and fall. Take 3 deep, gentle breaths, inhaling fully and exhaling slowly. When you're ready, bring some movement back to the body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and slowly open your eyes, returning to the space around you. Carry this sense of steadiness forward into the rest of your day.